Gear.
Yeah, that's a right gear up. Down to the cross now. Selecting that one.
Platform.
Selecting follow that one. Could be some turbulence. Just keep it in the cross there. I'm going to turn to the left. Okay, good. Just follow the flight director. Good. And then go off to takeoff check next.
How's that been, Joe?
It's good.
Nice. Keep your eye on that cross.
Sorry. It's very good. That's heavy turbulence. We go up to that. Happy there, Jacob? Everything?
Yeah.
It's quite twitchy. It's like a snake. It's moving along. So you have to be. You don't have much time to look out or anything. It's very important that you look on your controls. And the standard rate turn is like 25 degrees. So another 10 degrees. A little bit more.
Sorry,
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. But it's a flight director who governs it, but so that's good. Coming out of the heading.
What's your height?
Yeah, right.
He's out to trust, so...
Oh yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
What about that?
Yeah, that's fine. Leave it at that for a moment. So up to the flight director, a little bit low. And to the right. Get into the... Yeah, that's good. Keep it there. Climbing back to 2,000 feet.
That's open.
Further up a little bit. Because I have the engines on the bottom of the aircraft, it will push you up as well when it powers on. And the other way, when it powers off, the nose will drop. But as long as you're on the flight director, it will take care of it. As long as you keep it in the middle there. So let's see, you come up to 2,000 feet.